In a fresh development, China seems to have reversed its stand on imports of microchips from the US, specifically Nvidia. Yesterday, the 7th of January 2026, Beijing asked some Chinese tech companies to halt orders for Nvidia's H200 chips this week. The H200 is the predecessor of Nvidia's current flagship, Blackwell chips. The leadership is expected to mandate domestic artificial intelligence chip purchases. China's directive to suspend orders was issued as the government considers whether and under what conditions it should and would allow access to Nvidia's high-performance chips. Beijing is aiming to discourage local technology companies from rushing to stockpile US chips before a decision is reached. Nvidia again seems to have been caught between Washington and Beijing as the United States tightens controls on exports of advanced semiconductors used in AI, while Chinese companies seek to reduce reliance on US-designed chips. Over the last year or so, tensions over technology trade have been a central feature of broader US-China conflicts, with semiconductors emerging as a strategic flashpoint. Liu Pengyu, a spokesperson of the Chinese embassy in the US, said, and I quote, "China is committed to basing its national development on its own strengths and is also willing to maintain dialogue and cooperation with all parties to safeguard the stability of global industry and supply chains." Unquote. In December last year, US President Donald Trump approved previously banned exports of Nvidia powerful H200 artificial intelligence chips to China. According to the new directive, the US government would receive 25% of the sales revenue. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang said at the Consumer Electronics Show this week that demand in China for its H200 chips was strong and the company is viewing purchase orders as a signal of approval rather than expecting any formal announcement from Beijing. What are the indigenous chips that China and its government seem to be promoting and protecting? One is a homegrown startup, Threads. This Chinese AI chip maker completed its initial public offering on the Shanghai Stock Exchange's Star Market in December 2025, raising approximately $1.13 billion. The stock experienced a massive surge on its debut, opening over 400% over and above its IPO price. The other are the photonic chips being developed by ChipX. While this is a technology disruption, going by the fact that it is being invested heavily into by the likes of Nvidia and Google as well, it still has to be mass tested.